everyone. Today we will be presenting our topic, which is applications of relations and functions in real life.
So my name is Goh Hui Shan.
So my name is Nazra Sofia Belkis.
And I'm Nur Nabila binti Rusti. A relation from set A to set B is a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. In simple terms, a relation describes how elements from one set are connected to elements in another set. For example, if A equal to subset 1, 2, 3, and B equal to subset A, B, and C, then the relation R is 1A, 2B, 3C shows the connections between the elements of the two sets. A function is a special type of relation where each element in the domain corresponds to exactly one element in the codomain. This means that every element in domain must be paired with one and only one element in the codomain. First, the domain is the set of all input values. In this diagram, set A, which contains A, B, and C, represents the domain. Second, the codomain is the set of all possible output values, which contains 1 through 3 and 4 is the codomain. The range is the set of actual output values that are mapped from the domain. In this example, the elements 1, 2, and 3 are the range because they are connected to elements in the domain, while 4 is not part of the range since no element maps to it.
So I will explain about the type of relation. The first one is reflexive, second is symmetric, and third is transitive. So for the first one, A is R. For example, A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 element. And we look at the first question, R equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4. And we can know the first one is not reflexive since reflexive must be 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4, 4. So we look at the second question, R equals to 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4. It is reflexive. And we look at 3, R equals to 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. It is less 2, 2, and 3, 3. So it is not reflexive. The second is symmetric. If AB is R, then BA is R. So the example for the symmetric is A equals to 1, 2, 3 element. And for the first question, R equals to 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4. And the first is symmetric since it has 1, 2, and 2, 1. So we look at the second question. R equals to 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4. It is not have AB and BA form, so it is not symmetric. The third one is transitive. If AB is R and BC is R, then AC is R. So we look at the example. A have 1, 2, 3, 4 element. The first question, R equals to 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. It is transitive since A is 1, B is 2, and C is 3. And it have AB, BC, and AC, which is 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. So we know that the first question is transitive. And we look at the second one. R equals to 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4. It is not transitive since it don't have AB, BC, and AC form.
Okay, next, so we go to the type of the function. So the first function is one-to-one, which is injective. For example, fx equal to 2x. Different x get different fx. Fx equal to 2x is 1-to-1. For example, x equal to 1 and fx equal to 2. X equal to 2 and fx equal to 4. X equal to 3 and fx equal to 6. X equal to 4 and fx equal to 8. So we go to the next type, which is onto, which is surjective. Every element in codomain is used. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, and B equal to A and B. F1 equal to A, F2 equal to B, and F3 equal to A. And we go to the last type of function, which is bijective, both one-to-one and onto. For example, A equal to 1, 2, and 3, B equal to A, B, and C. F1 equal to A, F2 equal to B, and F3 equal to C. And we go to the application social network. Okay, for example, R equal to XY. X is a friend of Y. For example, Ali is friend of John, and John is friend of Mary, which is Ali and John is R, and John and Ali is R, which is this is symmetric property. And the for next sentence, John Mary is R, and Ali Mary is not R, which is not transitive properties.
Next, I will explain the application of relations in database. For example, in this table, student ID A101 is related to Ali and student ID A102 is related to John. We can represent this relation as R equal to A101 Ali and A102 John. A relation is simply a set of ordered pairs that shows how one item is connected to another.
So we move to the next application, database. So we let X is student ID, N is name. So we have two student ID, which is A101 for the name Ali and A102 for name John. Fs to N means FA101 equals to Ali. This is a function since each student only have one specific student ID.
So we go for the next, which is word example 1. For example, is R equal to 1A and 2B and 3C is a function. So R is a function since every domain have one image, which is 1, the output is A, and 2, the output is B, and 3, the output is C.
So we look at the work example 2 is R 1A, 2B, 2C, 3A is a function. So 1 will pair with A, 2 will pair with B and C, 3 will pair with A. R not a function since 2B and 2C, 2 have two image, which is B and C. So we can know R not a function.
And for the last example, is R equal to 1A, 2B, 3A a function? We can see R is not a function since 4 does not have an image. In the diagram, we can see that 1 maps to A, 2 maps to B, and 3 maps to A. Element 4 does not have any image or output. And for the investigation, every relation is a function. The answer is no. Consider the example of a mother and child relationship. Mother A is connected to child B, child C, and child D. Since one input, which is mother A, is connected to multiple outputs, this does not satisfy the definition of a function, but this is a relation. And the second investigation, is every relation is a function? Also, the answer is no, because we can see the example of student and a student ID. Student A is connected to only one student ID, which is P. Since each input has exactly one output, this relation satisfies the definition of a function. This is both relation and a function.
So we move to the importance and benefit. Why are relation and function important? For the first benefit is they are fundamental concept in mathematics. Second, they are widely used in computer science. Third, they are essential in database system. Fourth, they are applied in social networking platform. The last one is they help model and solve real-world problems.
And the last one is conclusion. The first one is relation and functions are essential mathematical concepts that support many modern technologies. The second one is they help establish connections, organize information, and ensure efficient data processing. The third one is applications can be found in social media, university system, online shopping platforms, navigation technologies, and many other areas. And the last one is understanding this concept helps us appreciate the importance role of mathematics in the digital world.
Okay, so thank you.
Thank you.